Constructive thought fills my day, and I, if I be lifted up from the earth, would draw all men unto me. John 12:32. When Jesus spoke of being lifted up from the earth, he meant that which is human about us must consciously become united with the divine. In ancient writings, the earth stood for the lowest form of life, while heaven presented the highest. Therefore, being lifted up from the earth means uniting earth with heaven. This daily lifting up of our thoughts is necessary if we wish to so unite ourselves and everything we are doing with the divine spiritual power that flows through us and into all our acts. I now turn to the Spirit within me. I know that it is close to me. It is what I am, and it governs my life in harmony and in peace. And I know that through me it brings joy and happiness to everyone I meet. Through the power of this indwelling Spirit, I am a blessing to myself and to others. I lift up my whole mind to the realization that the Spirit of God is within me, and that this perfect Spirit is my real self. I invite the Spirit to direct my thoughts and acts. I believe that it is doing so. I expect new ideas to stimulate my imagination and direct me into new ways of doing things. I invite and expect new circumstances and situations, and I know that as they present themselves, the intelligence within me will accept them and act upon them. I know that the divine presence within me makes itself known to every person I meet, to every situation I encounter. I know that it brings life and joy and happiness to everything and everyone.